Boom! What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Daily Dose of Love. So welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's a little chilly today, but let me tell you what we got going on today. Got a little improv camping trip. Got some new gear, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out. And we got the guys out here kicking it with the Wichita Toyota Club. So we're gonna go ahead and set up camp, see what we got going on, cook some food, get some rest, and let's open up some new toys, man. Let's see what we got going on today. So, you know what we'll do? 3, 2, 1. Let's start today's episode.
Yeah. Hey, ISO. Hey, Indies. Savvy. Hey, back on deck on my fly back. Really on my pay some respect to my mindset. Head blowing smoke, catch a contact. Really mad they can't stop us. Back on the scene, young conscious. Always been me, yeah, I'm poppin'. I ain't really here for the gossip, nah. Blah blah blah, yeah, I'm try to play me, but you tried it. Way too wavy, gotta ride it. Pull up on you, yeah, we sliding. Make our eyes roll when I slide in. Neck on wrist on shaman. Tell them say less, no comment. And we only here for the commas.
Ay, pull up and how about we slide? Loaded away on beside me. Beeline, skating on days we gliding. I'm hitting that in the driving.
Hitting that while we vibing. You know I be on that time and light up, I'm firing. Dress it up, yeah, I be styling. Eat up the drip, she be dining. Straight to the top, she be climbing. We the ones that they.
Boom, guys, as y'all seen, we got the roof nest set up. So I did switch out the Smitty built, ended up selling that, and got a hard cover tent, or hard shell tent, is that what we call it? Got the roof nest Condor XL, man. We went some a little bit bigger. Went with the white one over the black hard cover. So super excited about that, man. Like I said, I got a couple more things here. Like I said, let me roll the tent out and then kind of show you guys a couple more of the things that we got going here. But go ahead and let's enjoy this tent for one quick second.
Expiring, ice of the boss and we hiring. Raising the hood where it's sirens. They hopping on ship like a pirate.
Hey, hey, driving the boat and I came for the loot in the train.
We got the homie in here setting up the grill. Tell him what you're doing over here, dude.
We're setting up the grill right now. This good old grill right here, camping grill. Got a good deal on it. So if we use it one time, we got our money's worth.
You already
It's
heard
got
it,
a
man.
grill side and a griddle side.
Oh.
I actually cleaned it because I don't want to rust his grease on it. It's clean.
He seasoned it, he said earlier.
Seasoned it, so it's good.
It's good. Boom. Check this out, guys. This box right here, all the way from Canada. Y'all see it on the IG earlier. Let me show y'all some real quick. Boom. Y'all seen it. Check this out real quick, man. All the way from Canada. Super excited to show this off tonight. Yeah, we seen this at the Moore Expo, man. What is this? Check this out. Straight from MC Ranch. Boy, got the fire shield, man. Super excited to show y'all this tonight, man. Super excited. Aluminum, I think it was. I might be wrong. I don't quite remember the full product of how it's made. But excited to show it off either way, man. Let me go and set this up real quick around the campfire and show you guys. Morning, guys. Day 2 of this very improv camping trip. Headed home, man. It's been a day. So kind of a couple updates, right? One, roof nest, beautiful, man. It was wonderful tent to sleep in. The fire shield was freaking awesome, man. Kept the heat one direction. Smoke up, heat one way. So definitely would recommend it, man. Super excited to give you guys a bit of a breakdown, a little bit more of a review on it. Like I said, last night was just kind of testing out some new equipment, figuring out what it's like to have and use it on the trail and whatnot. So, or on the camping trip, I should say. But nonetheless, thanks for stopping by, checking out today's small little clip, man. Small little video. Cause I'll give you guys a better breakdown of the 4runner once we, or the tent, I should say, the tent and the fire shield once we get settled in and whatnot. But in the meantime, Y'all know what to do, man. Follow your path. Peace.